अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आई होप कि आप सब खैर आफियत से होंगे। आज हम लोग क्लास 9 के कंप्यूटर साइंस के MCQ सॉल्व करेंगे। व्हाट कंप्यूटिंग मशीन वाज कैपेबल ऑफ टॉकिंग इनपुट फ्रॉम पंच कार्ड्स एंड स्टोरिंग डाटा इन मेमोरी? Tabulating machine. What technology replaced vacuum tubes in second generation computers? Transistors. Which computer generation introduced the use of integrated circuits? Third generation. Which of the following is an example of a natural system? Human body. Which component of the microprocessor controls the working of input and output devices and storage devices? Control unit, CU. Which type of memory retains data even when the computer is turned off? ROM. What is the main purpose of cache memory? Provide high speed storage. What is the smallest unit of memory in a digital computer? Correct answer is bit. Which memory type uses laser beam to read and write data? Optical memory is the correct answer. In one Neumann architecture, where are instructions data and program data stored? In the same memory unit. What is the primary function of the buses in a computer's memory system? Correct answer is transmit data between components. What is the primary function of the presentation layer in the OC model? Converting data into a standard format. In which network topology is data transmission unidirectional like radio or television broadcast? Correct answer is ring topology. Now we will move to the next. Which data communication standard is used for transferring web pages and related data on the World Wide Web? Correct answer is HTTP. Which network architecture requires each computer to act as either a server or a client but not both simultaneously? Client or server network is the correct answer. If you like this video, so please like and share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.